There once was a dog with an old bone to chew, but the dog soon grew bored and thought, what else could I do? I could go see the world on a red shiny boat, a big one, a small one, or just one that floats. I could ride on a train, see the world from the rails. I could cross vast oceans on the back of a whale. A camp in the woods could surely be fun. Oh, how I would love to play in that sun. Or run through a field and bark at the sky, chase rabbits and squirrels and watch butterflies. It's such a great big world, and I want to see it all. See people of all sizes, big, little, short, and tall. How I wish I could see all kinds of great places, the food, the people, the fun on their faces. I'd get there somehow if I just had a car. Some wheels would be great to see places afar. Then the dog woke up to his master's old truck. Hop in, boy, today you're in luck. They were off to the lake to cast out a line. It wasn't world travel, but it would do just fine.